Ramesh wants to take a photograph of his family. Which device help him to take a photograph? Answer is D. Identify this tool in MS Paint. The answer is C. Color picker. What are the three basic parts of computer? Options are printer, input, output. Option 2 is input, processing and output. Answer is input, processing, output. Which statement is correct? Statement 1. An input device receives the information processed by the CPU of a computer. Statement 2. An input device gives the command to the CPU of a computer. The correct option is statement 2. When you switch on the computer, what is the sequence? Option A is CPU on, UPS on, monitor on. Option B is UPS on, CPU on, monitor on. The correct option is first the UPS on, then CPU on, then monitor on. In MS Paint, which tool is used to write a name? And the correct option is option B. The function keys on a keyboard start from F1 and continue till option 1 F9, option 2 F12. And the correct option is option 2 F12. Which of the following is not a feature of computer? Option 1 is speed. Option B is emotion. The correct answer is emotion. Which one of the following is a removable storage media? Option A is hard disk. Option B is pen drive. And the correct option is pen drive. Which device is used to listen to music through computer? CPU is option 1 and option 2 is speaker. The correct answer is speaker. Which one of the following is an input device? Option A is keyboard. Option B is monitor. The answer is option A, keyboard. Which of the following has an on and off switch? Option 1. Option A is keyboard. Option B is joystick. The answer is keyboard. Which of these is used at shop for scanning the price? Option A or option B? The answer is option B. In MS Paint, the area where you draw is called option A, working area. Option B, drawing area. The answer is drawing area. Identify the data storage device from the following. Option A, option B. The answer is option B. Identify what a computer cannot do. A, store data. B, make decision. And the answer is B, make decision. Which symbol is used for multiplication in computer? Option A or option B? And the answer is option A. The monitor of a computer is also called A, television, B, screen. The answer is B, screen. In MS Paint, which tool is used to see drawing in a larger size? Option A, pencil. Option B, magnifier. And the answer is option B, magnifier. Which button is used to shut down a computer? Option A, settings. Option 2, power. And the answer is option 2, power. In UPS, what does P stand for? Option 1, power. Option 2, part. And the answer is option 1, power. Identify the tool of MS Paint given below. Option 1, pencil tool. Option 2, color picker. The answer is option 2, color picker. What is used for typing? And the answer is option 2. What is necessary to run a computer? Option A, air. Option B, electricity. And the answer is option B, electricity. Identify the visual display unit among the following. And the answer is option A. Which of the following controls all the activities of computer? Option A, CPU. Option B, monitor. And the answer is option A, CPU. Identify the image. Option 1, printer. Option 2, scanner. And the answer is option 2, scanner. Identify the mouse pad. Option A, option B. And the answer is option A. Which part of computer has special keys? Option A, option B. And the answer is option A. Identify the tool in the picture given below. Option A, text tool. Option B, eraser tool. And the answer is eraser tool. Which tool of MS Paint is used to draw a line? Option A, option B. And the answer is option B. Which of the following contains the alphabet keys? Option A, option B. And the answer is option A. A computer mouse sits on a special seat called, and the answer is option B, mouse pad. Which one of the following is called as a pointing device? Option A, option B. And the answer is option B. What is the full form of email? Option A, easy mail. Option B, electronic mail. And the answer is option B, electronic mail. Which of the following will help you to type your name on a computer? Option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. And the answer is option B, keyboard. Which device is used to run computer when there is no electricity? Option A, option B. And the option is option B, UPS. Identify the marked part of mouse. Option A, left mouse button. Option B, scroll wheel. And the answer is option B, scroll wheel. Which of the following is used for processing data? Option A, CPU. Option B, printer. And the answer is option A, CPU. Which is used to listen to music on a computer? Option A, keyboard. Option B, speaker. And the answer is option B, speaker. How many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? Option A, 25. Option B, 26. And the answer is option B, 26. Which operation is not performed by a computer? Option A, input. Option B, understanding. And the answer is option B, understanding. Which of the following is an input device? Option A, monitor. Option B, scanner. And the answer is option B, scanner. Which is the longest key on a keyboard? A, enter key. B, spacebar. And the answer is B, spacebar. Which of the following is called the standard output device? Option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. And the answer is option A, monitor. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. Option B, universal power supply. And the answer is option A, uninterruptible power supply. The first step to turn on the computer is option A, switch on the UPS. Option B, switch on the electric board. And the answer is option B, switch on the electric board. What is the use of application MS Paint? Option A, to write letters. Option B, to draw pictures. And the answer is Option B. To draw pictures. Devices that accept data from outside computer and transfer it into CPU are called A. Input device, B. Output device. And the answer is A. Input device. What do you call a single blinking line on a computer screen? A. Icon, B. Cursor. And the answer is B. Cursor.